In this video, I will show you how to write Amazon affiliate articles within minutes. I'm going to use this keyword as a live example. I will also share with you a hack I recently got to know, where you can just copy the text of any Amazon product and auto-generate Amazon content. This will save you loads of time that you normally need to spend on product research. The best part is this will be convincing affiliate marketing content that will entice people to buy. If you have been struggling to make money with Amazon affiliate marketing, this video is for you. The best type of Amazon content articles that make money are articles that help people decide. It needs to provide information so that people decide which product to buy. This is one of the articles that is ranking on the first page of Google for this keyword. If you look deeper, it is a list-type Amazon affiliate article. Here you see a list of products from Amazon along with the Amazon affiliate link. If you scroll down, you see a unique product description about each Amazon product along with advantages and disadvantages. If we check the word count of this Amazon affiliate marketing article, it is over 3,000 words. If you write this article yourself, it might take you several hours to complete. I will show you a hack that you can use to get Amazon content like this within minutes. Can you please give this video a like, and I will take you step by step on how to do this. The way you are going to do this is by using an artificial intelligence-based content writer. Basically, it is an online tool where you can give the topic and get Amazon content writing done for you, without having to pay. Well, at least you can get started for free when you use the link in the video description below. You can get up to 10,000 words free. So create your account and follow along. Once you log in, you will see a dashboard like this. You will see several template types. You might feel overwhelmed with all these templates. Don't worry, I will explain everything. You don't need to use all these templates. The first thing you are going to do is write an introduction for your Amazon affiliate content. So click on Blog and then select Blog Post Intro Paragraph. For the title, give the topic of your Amazon article. For the audience, specify who is going to read this article. For the tone of voice, select Professional and Conversational. Then click on Generate AI Content. Within a few seconds, you will see several introduction paragraphs shown on the right-hand side. When you read through closely, you will notice that you can't say that they are auto-generated content. It probably looks better than what you would normally write. Let me open a Word document and paste a selected paragraph. I will show you how to create a full Amazon article like this, so keep watching. Amazon affiliate marketing is one of the ways to monetize a website like this. This is data from a new website I started recently. I wasn't making money with Amazon affiliate marketing. Over time, by adding more articles, I saw an increase in Amazon affiliate earnings. If you want me to create a detailed video about this website, comment below Amazon affiliate. If I get at least 20 comments, I will create a future video. Now going back to the Word document, let me add a table and then some related products. The next thing to do is get unique details about each of the Amazon products. For that, go back to the AI Content Writer. From the template, select Long Form Assistant. Select Start from Scratch. For the title, give the name of the product. For the content description, tell what you need. For the tone of voice, keep it the same as before. If you want, you can give the keywords you are targeting. Select the output length as medium and click on the Compose button. Here you can see the AI writing tool in action, writing the good and the bad about the product. This can be used for the advantages and disadvantages section. Keep pressing the Compose button until you are satisfied with the length of the article. Now, there are 330 words and this was generated in less than 1 minute. So let me copy this back to the Word document. Here you see little by little the Amazon article is building up. You can do this for multiple products and end up having an article like this that has over 3,000 words. Amazon affiliate marketing with articles is one way to promote products. I have created several other ways in the past. Watch this video next.